Let's see here. Oh yeah, there's more. Yeah, it's really coming out now. I don't see any coming out on this bottom part though. Maybe I'll try to put it in first or reverse. Yeah. Let's try reverse. Okay. Maybe the grease will. That sure is a lot of grease now. That's a lot of grease. Oh yeah. Okay, so now maybe it's in reverse. We can really get some in that lower part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, gobs came out of there. And some came out of that lower part too, the lower collar right there. All right, we definitely got to wipe up that excess, but we got it. There's a couple U-joints in the back you can get to, but we're not going to deal with that today. Okay, so that's how you diagnose how you messed up your front end. And next video on this truck, maybe we'll change that tie rod end because I bent the living crap out of it. And when you bend a tie rod and you keep driving, this is what happens. So I let you know. All right, hey, Faulkner Fixes All. Thanks for tuning in and subscribe. We're trying to get these channels out to people that want to work on their work truck and not go to the dealer. Yeah, I'd like to see me pull up to the dealer with this thing. They'd probably laugh their butts off. All right, have a good day.